In the past decades, the oil industry has lost many billions of US dollars caused by fire accidents concerning storage tanks filled with products like gasoline, naphtha, or crude oil. This deserves optimal fire protection. Most of these storage tanks have an internal or external floating roof, including rim seal. Every year, many tank fires occur, caused by lightning strikes or sparking. Optimal fire protection means applying a fully automatic detection and extinguishing system, guaranteeing the absence of fire and even the chance of reignition. For over 45 years, Saval manufactures automatic rim seal detection and gaseous extinguishing systems, which have been installed on over 4,500 tanks in more than 43 countries worldwide. The Saval CFI systems can easily be mounted on the floating roof in sections. Mounting without any hot work on a live tank filled with hydrocarbon product is possible due to specially developed adhesive material that will last for more than 30 years. The Saval CFI system uses a very special CF3I gas with proven functionality in numerous occasions. It breaks the fire triangle by negative catalyzation and leaves no residue. The challenge is to guarantee correct functioning during all weather conditions and in all possible extreme climate circumstances. Saval is able to guarantee a reliable, robust system because of special materials used and long specialized experience. The basis for the Saval CFI system is a fast-responding glass bulb detection nozzle placed where the flames occur. Glass bulbs will break within seconds after heating up by the at this time still small flames. No external power is needed. Due to the specially designed three-way nozzle, the liquid gas will be optimally sprayed by inner turbulence into a three-dimensional gas cloud. The CF3I gas contains iodine, the most active component in the gas, which causes a specific purple cloud, which means the extinguishing is in progress. Within just a few seconds, the fire is extinguished and the cloud turns white, indicating the extinguishing is completed. A specific amount of gas overkill after extinguishing is necessary to prevent reignition. The combination of lowered pressure and liquid gas level triggers a wired or wireless fire alarm signal to a Saval SK3000 alarm panel, which immediately notifies the fire brigade. Rim seal fires can only be controlled if proper measurements are taken during the short initial stage when the flames are still very small. The Saval floating roof CFI systems have proven this functionality on numerous tanks in many countries. References of Saval CFI systems are available upon request. Tank protection using gas extinguishing systems is a real specialization. It requires vast experience and high-tech technology related to the philosophy and disciplines of attacking a fire. So contact Saval for custom-made advice.